A nice piece of property. It's located not too far from town. It is on the old US 33, which now is not used very much. So you got a great road with not a whole lot of traffic, but of course it's nowhere near where you'd want to build at anyway. State Road maintains a great road up Field Hollow. As you notice, this thing is mostly clear. Lots and lots of open fields, room for pasture, of course big meadows. If you wanted to plant corn, whatever you wanted to do, this piece of property you can do it on. Look at the views. The views are absolutely fabulous. The deer, if you can't harvest a deer, something wrong with you, buddy. There are tons and tons of deer. I owned a farm that joined this back years ago, and have seen all the turkey, the wildlife. It's just incredible. You have electricity back there, going back through the property. Wouldn't take very much to get power on the top of this hill here. There is lots of area there for pasture fields too. Not only you have a good balance of meadows, but pasture, and then of course woods, someplace for the game to hide. It's got everything for wildlife. It's got food, it's got water, it's got everything. There's a nice pond. We'll be coming upon the pond here in just a moment. That pond, it's an old pond. I'm sure it's got fish in there with an old gray beard like mine. So it'll be fun to fish. Yeah, especially if you have some young children and that sort of thing around, this pond would be ideal. So anyway, definitely watch our videos. We have another video on the 100 acres that joins this piece of property. So if you need more land, not a problem. We have another 100 acres. That'll put you like 150 some acres or whatever of land if that's what you're looking for. The road, as you notice, is a very, very good road that leads up to the ridge. And that pond is beside the road, so you can drive up and see that beautiful pond every day. So anyway, give us a call and enjoy Old Fences Realty videos.